Today, we will talk about top 10 ways to save money fast. Saving money quickly requires a strategic approach, combining disciplined spending habits with proactive financial planning. Whether you're building an emergency fund, preparing for a big purchase, or trying to improve your financial health, these 10 practical and effective methods will help you achieve your goals. 10. Track every dollar you spend. Before you can save effectively, you need to understand your spending habits. Many people are surprised by how much they spend on seemingly minor expenses, such as snacks, coffee, or subscription services. To gain clarity, track every dollar you spend for at least a month. Use tools like Mint, NAB, You Need a Budget, or even a simple notebook to categorize your expenses. This process will reveal your spending patterns and highlight unnecessary expenditures. For example, if you notice you're spending $200 a month on takeout, you can make a conscious effort to cut back by preparing meals at home. Awareness is the first step to meaningful savings. 9. Cancel subscriptions and memberships you don't use. Recurring expenses often go unnoticed because they're automated. Subscriptions to streaming services, gym memberships, or premium apps can silently drain your finances if you're not actively using them. Take the time to review your bank statements and identify subscriptions you can live without. Tools like Truebill and Rocket Money simplify this process by identifying recurring charges and even negotiating lower rates for services you want to keep. Cutting out unused memberships could free up hundreds of dollars annually, providing a quick and painless way to save. 8. Embrace the no-spend challenge. A no-spend challenge is a powerful way to save money quickly. During this period, which can last a week, a month, or longer, you commit to spending money only on absolute necessities like rent, utilities, and groceries. This approach not only saves you money, but also shifts your mindset about spending. It forces you to find free or low-cost alternatives for entertainment, such as exploring local parks, hosting potluck dinners, or streaming free online courses. By focusing on essentials, you can accumulate significant savings in a short amount of time. 7. Sell items you no longer need. Decluttering your home can do more than improve your living space. It can also boost your bank account. Items like old electronics, clothing, furniture, and collectibles can be sold on platforms like eBay, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, or Declutter. Start with high-value items you rarely use, such as designer handbags, tech gadgets, or unused fitness equipment. Even smaller items, like books or DVDs, can add up when sold in bulk. Not only will you generate extra cash, but you'll also enjoy a more organized and clutter-free home. 6. Switch to a cash-only system. Switching to a cash-only system can help curb impulse spending and make you more aware of your financial habits. When you use credit or debit cards, it's easy to lose track of how much you're spending. Physical cash, on the other hand, creates a tangible limit. The envelope system is a popular way to implement this method. Allocate specific amounts of cash to different spending categories, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. Once an envelope is empty, you stop spending in that category until your next budgeting cycle. This strategy encourages discipline and prioritization. 5. Maximize discounts, coupons, and cashback. Taking advantage of discounts, coupons, and cashback opportunities is an easy way to reduce expenses on everyday purchases. Apps like Honey, Rakuten, and Ibotta help you find deals and earn cashback on online and in-store purchases. For groceries, digital coupons from your favorite stores and loyalty card programs can lead to significant savings. Additionally, consider timing your purchases around seasonal sales or using price comparison tools to ensure you're getting the best deal. 4. Reduce utility costs. Utility bills are a major household expense, but small changes can lead to significant savings. Simple actions like unplugging devices when not in use, turning off lights in unoccupied rooms, and setting your thermostat a few degrees lower in winter can add up over time. Consider investing in energy-efficient appliances and smart home devices like programmable thermostats to optimize energy use. Many utility companies also offer free energy audits, which can identify ways to lower your bills further. 3. Cook meals at home. Eating out is one of the biggest budget busters for many households. Restaurant meals and takeout can cost 3 to 5 times more than cooking at home. By planning your meals and shopping strategically, you can save hundreds of dollars a month. Batch cooking and meal prepping are particularly effective strategies. Spend a few hours each week preparing meals in bulk, then store them in portion containers for easy access throughout the week. Not only will this save money, but it will also save time and reduce the temptation to order takeout. 2. Automate your savings. One of the most effective ways to save money quickly is to automate the process. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account on payday. This ensures that saving becomes a priority rather than an afterthought. Many banks and financial apps offer roundup savings programs, which round your purchases to the nearest dollar and deposit the difference into your savings account. These small contributions add up over time and help you reach your savings goals faster without feeling the pinch. 1. Negotiate bills and reduce interest rates. Negotiating with service providers can lead to immediate savings on recurring expenses. Call your internet, phone, or cable provider and ask for promotions or loyalty discounts. Many companies are willing to lower rates to retain customers. For debt, consider negotiating lower interest rates on credit cards or consolidating your debt with a balance transfer card offering 0% interest for a promotional period. Reducing your financial obligations frees up cash that can be redirected to savings. Saving money quickly doesn't have to feel like an impossible task. By tracking your spending, cutting unnecessary expenses, and embracing creative saving strategies, you can take control of your financial future. Each of these 10 methods, when applied consistently, can help you build a solid financial cushion in record time. Whether you're saving for a specific goal or simply aiming to improve your financial health, these strategies will set you on the path to success. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.